In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Stripe customer portal link. This portal gives your customers a secure, self-serve place to manage their subscriptions and billing, which can save you time and reduce support requests. First, log into your Stripe dashboard. This is your command center for everything related to payments and billing. Once you are inside, move to the top right corner and click the gear icon to open settings. In the Billing section, select Customer Portal. This is where you'll enable and fine-tune the experience your customers will see. Next, click Activate to turn on the portal link for your account. Activating makes the portal available so you can start configuring it to match your business needs. Now let's configure the portal settings. Under Features, choose exactly what you want customers to be able to do. Typical options include updating their billing information, viewing past invoices, and switching subscription plans. Think about your support patterns. If customers frequently ask to update cards or change plans, enabling those features can streamline your workflow and improve satisfaction. For cancellations, you have several controls. You can enable the ability for customers to cancel on their own, decide whether to require a cancellation reason, and even offer coupons to help reduce churn. If retaining subscribers is a priority, consider a modest discount or limited time offer that encourages them to stay, while still respecting their choice to leave if that's best for them. Branding is where you align the portal with your company's look and feel. Add your logo and set your brand colors, so the experience feels consistent and trustworthy. Clear branding helps reassure customers they're in the right place and builds confidence while they manage sensitive billing details. With your settings in place, you are ready to share the link. Copy the generated portal link from the page. This link is unique to your account and will open the exact experience you just configured. Place it where customers naturally look for account management options on your website's account page inside your application's billing section, or in customer emails such as billing notifications and onboarding sequences. Keep the wording clear like Manage Your Subscription, so customers know exactly what to expect when they click. That's it. You've logged in, navigated to the customer portal settings, activated the portal, configured features, cancellations, and branding, and copied the link to share across your channels. Thanks for watching.